Hello and good morning, everyone. I'm back again. Actually, I'm really sorry I was not there for almost a week now. That's because I was traveling and a lot of things were changing in my life. They are still, changing, and I'm integrating all those big changes. There's a major shift in my life, so that is why I was not able to upload my videos. But by God's grace, today I shall again begin. And this is a reading for 2nd July 2021. This is a general reading. This may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates with you, please take whatever resonates with you. And I will be taking out the cards and close it off with an oracle card as a message. So now let's begin. These are my two tarot decks, and I have a very beautiful, this tablecloth which has got Ma Durga embroidered on it. So now let's begin. Let us take out the 5 cards. This is the daily tarot reading for 2nd July 2021. I hope the video is clear to you. Alright. This is one. Alright, so I've already taken out the cards and let me interpret for you. Okay, so for 2nd July we have the High Priestess, which definitely means that there are some secrets which are going to come out for you, and or you are having some secrets with you which you don't want to tell anyone, but they'll definitely somehow come out, or your intuition is suggesting you. This intuition is very strong here with the High Priestess. So this intuition is suggesting that there are going to be certain disclosures coming out. And then we have the 8 of Swords in the reverse, which means that whatever disclosures are going to come out, they are, because of those things, you will find a lot of relief, and you will come out of your anxiety, of your sleep. If you are feeling very sleepless due to, there seems to be, what I feel, that there seems to be some sort of worries around you. So when these secrets are going to come out, or when disclosures are going to come out, then you will feel quite relaxed. You will come out of the anxiety. But I think whatever it is initially it was very slow. Everything was going very slow around you. But now things will take pace. They will start moving very fast. So something is going to come out, and there seems to be a brand new beginning. There definitely seems to be a brand new beginning. It's a new love actually coming into your life. So being that the case, you have to be open for it. You have to be open for the new beginning. You have to be open for the new love. This is mainly a new love I see coming in. So for that, you have to come out of the mindset of 8 of Swords. You have to get rid of your worries, and you have to get rid of your worries or anxiety or whatever is bothering you. So this was your reading for 2nd July. For whomsoever it resonates. Now let me see what the oracle cards have for you. Let me see what the oracle cards have for you. Alright, oracle cards. Well, exactly. You have got the oracle card, environment. So you need to take care of your environment. Why? Because if you want this new love to come into your life, you should get rid of the anxiety. You should get rid of all your worries. Then only you will be open to the new love. And certain things are going to come before you. You have to get out of this mindset of Eight of Swords, which definitely you are going to do. So the brand new beginning is all about your environment. Please cleanse your environment. Please make your environment happy and vibrant. You can also see the green color. Can you see the green color? The green color is actually a heart chakra color. It is connected with the heart chakra. So please keep your heart chakra open. Wear green. And you can also see the number 44 here, which shows stability. So you can wear green. You can take, you can use green in many forms. This color green you can use in many things. Like you can take a green drink. You can wear a green suit, salwar kameez, top, or whatever. You can wear green bangles if you want. Anything green. You can also connect with the nature, with the green plants, green trees around us. So this is the message I have for you. I hope you liked it, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and see you then. Bye bye.